Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you enable or use back tap in iPhone. So first of all, open your settings. Now you have to scroll down and find accessibility. Now go to touch. Here scroll down to last and you will get option of back tap. Click on this option. Now you will see double tap and triple tap. You can enable any of them or both of them. So let's enable double tap. Click on double tap. Now you can assign it a function. For example, let's assign screenshot. Select screenshot, and now if you double tap on the back of your iPhone, it will take a screenshot. Let me just show you. You can see, and you can also enable triple tap. Click on triple tap, and now you can also assign it a function. For example, let's select torch, and now if you triple tap on the back of your iPhone, it will turn on the flashlight of your iPhone. And this is how you can use the back tap in iPhone. Thank you everyone.